Hi all. In this video, we are going to see about lighting system components. That is one of the major component. Fixture. Fixture are luminaries. That is lenses, diffusers, and reflectors. A fixture is a unit which consists of lamps and ballast, reflectors, lenses, lowers, and housing. The main function of this is to focus or spread light emanating from the lamps. Without fixtures, lighting system would appear very bright and cause glare. Fixture efficiency, that is, fixtures block or reflect some of the light existing in the lamp. The efficiency of a picture is the percentage of lamp lumens produced that actually exit the fixture in the intended direction. Similar to pump, we have coefficient of utilization, that is Cu is the percent of lumens produced that actually reach the work plane, and the Cu incorporates the fixture efficiency, mounting height, and the reflectance of walls and ceiling. Therefore, improving the fixture efficiency will improve the coefficient of utilization. Here the fixture of consists of some components, that is housing socket. The next one is light source. The third one is the components which distribute the light. There are different types of fixtures are available, that is jars and globes. We will see in detail one by one. That is jars and globes typically have low coefficient of utilization values, and it have both the CFL and the incandescent lamps and can be used in the fixtures. Here you can see the this type of fixture, the pictorial representation. The second one is wall surface mounted fixture. It has moderate Cu values. This is a wall surface mounted fixtures. The third one is pendant fixture. That is, these fixtures utilize a variety of lamp types, and they are large incandescent lamps and are frequently used. And these fixtures often hang from ceilings of production and warehouse areas. The next one is area lighting fixture, that is street light fixtures. These fixtures are commonly known as van lights, that is, they cast light in nearly all directions. Much of the light is to lost to the sky and overhead trees. That is, this is the example, that is pictorial representation, that is the real-time picture of area lighting fixture. The next one is exit signs. That is, this type of things we can see in many malls or any hospitals or many transport buses, that is bus trains. You will see this type of fixtures. That is, these signs typically use 20 watt or 25 watt incandescent lamps, and it can be replaced by a 7 watt compact fluorescent TT lamp. This will reduce operating cost by more than 75%, and it can last up to 20,000 hours when run continuously. Next is flood lights. That is, this type of lights are mostly available in stages. That is for dance stage or any stage performance. This type of without this lighting performance, such functions cannot be done. That is, it can be used for low efficiency mercury vapor lamps, and they have high pressure sodium floodlights offer excellent savings. That is, this type of lighting is most commonly available around any gardening areas. That is, they have a fixed such type of lighting system during festivals or any functions in a particular area. And this type of lightings are mostly available in street, that is stages, various stages like college auditorium, etc. Adding lenses or reflectors to a lighting fixture changes the light distribution pattern, and most fixtures have built-in reflectors. Fixtures with the packed white enamel finish has a reflective of about 0.88. Next we will see about in the next video we will see about energy efficient that is energy savings of lightings, that is energy saving, how the energy saving can be done in a lighting system. We will see in a next video. Thank you and subscribe to the channel.